This is Unit 1 of African Literature, A Raisin in the Sun by Lorraine Hansberry. Introduction to the author. Lorraine Vivian Hansberry was a playwright and a writer. She was the first African American female author to have a play performed on Broadway. Her best-known work, the play A Raisin in the Sun, highlights the lives of blacks. Around the age of 7, Hansberry and her family moved into a restricted white neighborhood, deliberately violating the city's covenant laws that legally sanctioned housing discrimination, because as you already know that the African literature portrays certain discrimination practiced by whites towards blacks. Hansberry is best known for her play A Raisin in the Sun. Overall, Hansberry has been acknowledged as a gifted playwright and an articulate and strong supporter of the civil rights and women's movement. The names of the characters in this book are Walter Younger, Youth Younger, who was the wife of Walter, Benitha Younger, who was the sister to Walter, Travis Younger was the son of Walter and Ruth, Lena was the head of the family, Mama the mother, George Murchison, friend, and Joseph Azagai, two friends to Benitha Younger, Carl Lindner, Mrs. Johnson, and moving men around. Plot. Raisin in the Sun, a play by Lorraine Hansberry, is about story of a lower class African American family living on the south side of Chicago during the 1950s. It is important to notice that the story is about lower class African American family. The family seeks to move into a home in a white middle class neighborhood. Although a portion of $10,000 insurance check has been used as a down payment on the house, the remainder of the money has been given to the son of the family, who is Walter Younger. In an effort to quadruple the money, the son invests the money and ends up losing all of it. Invests the money in a liquor store, despite the fact that the family has lost the remainder of the insurance money and was told that they would not be welcomed in the white neighborhood by one of the neighbors. The family decides to move forward with their plans to move into the neighborhood. There are the themes of value and purpose of dreams, because each and every member of the family has their own dreams. Walter dreams of having a liquor store, Benitha dreams of attaining her medical study, whereas Mama wanted to buy a house by pursuing her dream. A Raisin in the Sun is essentially about dreams, as the main characters struggle to deal with the oppressive circumstances that rule their lives. The need to fight racial discrimination. The character of Mr. Lindner makes the theme of racial discrimination prominent. The character of Mr. Lindner is important, who marks racial discrimination prominent in the plot as an issue that the Youngers cannot avoid. The governing body of the Youngers' new neighborhood, the Claiborne Park Improvement Association, sends Mr. Lindner to persuade Youngers not to move into the all-white Claiborne Park neighborhood. ये जो white representative था मिस्टर लिंडर, वो ये लोग आसपास के वाइट नेबरहुड के ये नहीं चाहते थे कि यंगर्स की फैमिली यानी ब्लैक्स उनकी वाइट सोसाइटी के अंदर आए. तो उन्होंने अपने हेड ऑफ द क्लाइबर्न पार्क को वहाँ पर भेजा ताकि वो उनको पैसे देकर वहाँ से दूर रहने पर So Mr. Lindner tries to persuade them to not to move into the white neighborhood, and Mr. Lindner and the people he represents can only see the color of the younger family's skin. कि black color होने की वजह से they were not being allowed to move into the white neighborhood. This is what marks the racial discrimination. And his offer to bribe the youngers to keep them from moving threatens to tear apart the younger family and the values for which it stands. Ultimately, the youngers respond to this discrimination with defiance and strength. The play powerfully demonstrates that the way to deal with discrimination is to stand up to it and reassert one's dignity in the face of it, rather than allow it to pass unchecked. Importance of family. What is the main message in Raisin in the Sun? Raisin in the Sun is essentially about dreams because the characters are struggling throughout the novel in order to persuade their dreams, in order to get rid of their oppressive and cruel circumstances that are ruling their lives. And the title of the play references a conjecture that Langston Hughes famously posed in a poem. He wrote about dreams that were forgotten or put off.